In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Squarespace, a crucial step if you're looking to streamline your online sales and provide a seamless checkout process for your customers. This connection is quite straightforward but can make a significant difference in ensuring your e-commerce operations run smoothly. Let's begin by navigating to your Squarespace home. You'll need to open up your browser and enter the URL for your Squarespace account dashboard. This is essentially your control center for managing all aspects of your website, and it's where you'll find all the tools to connect Stripe to your Squarespace account. Once you're on your Squarespace dashboard, the next step is to locate the Content and Memberships section. This is typically found on the left-hand side of the screen as a menu option. Clicking here will take you to a page where you manage settings related to your site's content, including payment options, which is the focus for today. With the Content and Membership section open, look towards the top right corner of the page for a gear icon. This icon represents settings, and clicking on it will prompt a drop-down menu with various configuration options. It's here that you'll find the settings necessary for connecting your payment solutions. Clicking on this icon will prepare you to move on to the payment configurations. Now that you're in the correct area, locate and click on the Payment Options menu. In this section, you manage all payment settings, including third-party integrations like Stripe. The Payment Options page is integral to helping you set up how customers will pay you and ensuring the process aligns with your business model. Finally, under the Payment settings, you'll see the option to connect to Stripe. On this page, find the Connect button directly beneath the Stripe logo. Clicking this button will initiate the connection process. Now, here's a crucial part. Once you click Connect, you'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. If you don't have a Stripe account yet, you'll be given the option to create one. It's important that your Stripe account is properly set up with accurate banking information to ensure smooth processing of payments. And there you have it. By following these steps and ensuring your Stripe account is linked correctly, you'll enable your site to handle payments efficiently. This connection will enhance your e-commerce capabilities and allow you to offer a secure and reliable payment experience for your clients. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials to optimize your Squarespace site.